She always says she doesn't snore. Can you hear that? Sounds like snoring to me. I don't know why I'm facing at the roof, but you know, I'm not even going to cover the camera this time. It won't turn off, so now I have to record more. Hear that?